1.5 miles one way and back, but they don't tell you it's a 1,000-foot elevation gain. So here we go.
Challenging. We can do it, right?
Yeah.
This is a tough one. Oh.
You can do it. You can do it.
Shade break.
We always meet nice people on the trail, just like this lady we just met walking up. They just retired and moved here to Utah, and yeah, pretty nice backyard.
Yeah.
Pretty nice, but she's not talking much. It's a hard hike.
We're sucking air and sweating bullets.
And a mile and a half, it's about 1,000-foot elevation gain, but we can do it.
Yes.
You know?
I do you, you do me.
That's right.
Was the arch?
Beautiful. Did
Yes.
you guys go to Hickman?
This is the first real thing we've done in the park besides the drive.
We wanted to stay in the park. We only booked the RV park because I thought it'd be hot here.
You know,
And although it's hot right now, it's actually pretty nice.
I mean, last night we had our windows.
Yeah.
No, last night we took it.
Are you staying at Frigid Campground?
Actually, down in Torrey.
Torrey, sure.
Yeah, Torrey. And it's like, there's no, we're 2 people there.
Oh, really?
It's
you
beautiful.
couldn't get into Wonderland? There's all sorts of availability there.
It's crazy.
After the 5 nights.
Oh, I see. Oh, yeah. People have been coming.
Over the weekend,
Yeah.
you know.
Yes.
I didn't want to, you know.
I get that.
This was our last national park in Utah, so we've done all 5.
Yeah.
Yes, same.
So, is it?
This is it.
Yeah, this is our 5th. We saved it for the end, and I stand by that. I think Zion, Bryce, and Arches are clearly the top 3.
Clearly
No
the
doubt.
top. They're the clear
Not
winners.
to say that like I've said before, there's never a national park I didn't like,
Yeah.
but out of the 5, those are the 3 big ones.
Thank you guys.
That's so
Good to
cool.
bump into you again.
Yeah.
You too.
Of all places, you're
I
We'll
know.
probably see you around.
Yeah, we will.
Well, it's cool to meet up with Marc, Trish, and Caleb from Keep Your Daydream. We've been following them since we started RVing. Actually, one of the reasons we started this YouTube channel is that Marc and Trish have a course on how to start a YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the bottom, but that's how we got started doing this. And we're grateful for them that we're able to share all this stuff and enjoy our times out there. And it's just great seeing them on the road. This is the second time we've seen them on the road in 5 years that we've been full-timing. Pretty cool.
Well, that was a challenging hike.
Well worth it. Let's go home.
Okay.
I can edit it out.
Okay.
Or I might leave it in. You never know.
Yeah. If I see it on YouTube, I want
will
part
be.
of the money.
It will be.
This place is amazing. Yeah, boy. Whew. This coming back and forth, I'm adding an extra 2 to 3 miles.